Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, April the 27th, King's Day. We have here three regular Sudokus puzzles. Binary. I've just solved this minute ago. We have a killer Sudoku, and it's time now for the regular Sudoku medium. And this will be number 4466. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there in this big square. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about we have a pair. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Together with the 7, we have a pair. 7 and an 8, 7 and an 8. Wait. Wait. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in this box. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. Okay, 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. Okay. In this column, we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. There are 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, here, or there. Another 2 there, so no 2 here, here 2, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright, now I cannot continue with 2. Need to wait. Alright. 4, 4, 3, wait, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, we have 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 8. How about these 3 missing numbers in the third row? One of the missing numbers is a 1. Well, we see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5, it goes there. Done. 2 missing numbers in the second row. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Then I'm thinking. Okay. We have a 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row. Sorry, yes. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 and 2. The 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6, it goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, no, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1 and 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8, the 9 is missing. Okay, do we have all the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 the numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in the middle, a row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Yeah, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, in that row. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 8 and a 7, I see. 8 and a 7. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for number. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars Sudoku. And I've solved this in 50 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share you the data. We have here the 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6. We have here 1, 2, 2 as a pair, 3, 4 as a pair, and 8 as a pair. Wow, 3 pairs. Amazing. 2, 8, and 4. 3 pairs. Great. Medium Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes. Thank you again for watching, and well, we'll see you in a minute with the third regular Sudoku mix. Until then, bye bye for now.